guys, welcome. If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. For today's unboxing, or I should say unbagging, we are gonna be playing with our October Ipsy Glam bag. I wanted to start this video with nothing on the face but the brow and not touch anything in the bag yet, because there's a new thing that's going on with Ipsy, and I wanted to kind of, do it with you on camera so you guys can see it. I'm sure you're familiar with it, but I haven't shown it to you guys, so I want you to see it here on my channel. I think it's pretty neat what they're doing. I hope you guys are intrigued and want to stay and see what I am talking about. I went a little crazy with my choices this month, so yeah, if you guys are enjoying my videos so far, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also please do turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my uploads. So if you guys are interested in seeing new things in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, yes, this is the Glam Bag Plus, and also what I picked for this month's products, then just keep on watching. Okay, I think we're just gonna go ahead and talk about everything that's in my bag first, so we can just go ahead and do the tutorial part. So we'll split it in two, and I'll do a timestamp, in the description below, so you guys can just pick wherever you want to start the videos. But hopefully you guys watch the whole video. That would be awesome sauce. So this is our bag this month, you guys, and yeah, it is humongous. Love the color of Ipsy. This is the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I know the products that I have chosen for this month, because you guys, if you have Ipsy subscription, what did you just say? Is that in English? If you are subscribed to Ipsy, make sure you guys download their app so you guys can do your pickings on your app and you can see what you are getting. You guys, this is what I'm talking about with the new thing on Ipsy. They have changed their pouches. If you have Glam Bag Plus, now I think if you have the regular subscription, which is $10, you still get the pouches, I believe. I'm not sure, you guys. I will check for you guys and I will put it in the description below. But if you have Glam Bag Plus, we have upgraded our bag and I think it is awesome, you guys. I love it, you guys. I hope that this is a permanent thing, and let's get to it. Let me show you guys because it is so cool. I got my first one 2 months ago. I just didn't get to unbag it, but it is so cool. It is the pink one. I love the pouch, and this is my pouch this month. Ooh, let's open it this way because the design is so cool. So this is my pouch. Isn't this the cutest little pouch right here? So you have your products inside, of course. This is like a drawstring pouch. So yeah, this is the design. It is so cute. It is definitely perfect for October Halloween vibe. And then at the back it says "Your Magic." Sorry, it's a little dirty, but I'm sure it's easily wiped and washed, so it's pretty cool. So we have all the products inside. It is very roomy. The theme for this month is Your Magic. I love the color scheme that they have for even the card. It is so cute. So it says let's get social. You can join them on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and of course Instagram. I said Instagram already, didn't I? At Ipsy. So you can save the date. November 2nd is when you can build your next bag. I am doing every other month with Ipsy, so I will have to wait for December pouch, I should say. And then you have more things inside, so that is pretty neat. So you guys, if you have Ipsy for next month, make sure you save the date for November 2nd so you can make your choices. This is our first product in our pouch. This is double feature from Half Caked. So we have two lippies in here. We have lip gloss and a lip fondant. So we have the lip gloss on top and the lip fondant on the bottom. I have tried the product before and I love the consistency of it. And here's the swatches of the lip fondant and the lip gloss. The next product that we have in our pouch is this Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. This is translucent powder, so I just want to show you guys the box because they work so hard on their packaging, so we need to showcase the boxes as well. Love this design, and then you open it. It does come with a mirror and a puff, and then you take it off. You have a little protector right here that you take off, and then we powder away. Cannot wait to try this, you guys. So the next three products in my pouch are all shadows. The first one is Creme Brulee. This is from Voss. So this is the packaging. At the back, it shows you the shades that you're getting. So this is Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette. Open it. And we have a mirror, and this is the shade that we are getting in this this palette. So I don't think I'm gonna get to use this one. It's so pretty. Let's see. We have so we have 3 mattes in this palette, and the rest are shimmer. So this is our next palette. This is from Lovecraft Beauty. Guys, this is perfect for Halloween. I definitely need to create something for Halloween. Maybe on a Halloween day I need to create something, but it is so gorgeous. So you just push your eyeshadow out, and ooh, reflective, pretty. And then the shadows, oh yeah, it shows you at the back right there, and then right there we have a mirror. So we have 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. So the white, oh, wrong one. The white, the black, and this one right here are all mattes, and the rest are shimmers. This is my first pick. This is from Laura Sanchez. You guys, it is so cute, the back. Look at the little icons on the shades on the palette. So, no, so it's a push up to, and it, oh, I thought it was upside down because the picture of the back. It is such a fun palette, and then you know, twist it around. Look at that. That is so trippy. And then you open it. Oh, what was that? Oh, there was a brush, you guys. Hello. I'll show you guys the brush later. It went across the room. So we have palette and the mirror. So we do have a brush, but I'll show you guys later. So it looks like we have 2 highlighters right here. So we have Mamacita and Diosa, and then we have the fun colors. So you guys, let's go ahead and start with the eyes. I won't be able to use these 2 shadows. I know. I just wanted to pick as many eyeshadows as I can with my pick for my bag. That's just, you know, I'm just a eyeshadow collector, so you know, if it's a choice that I can pick, then I will. So I will definitely create something, especially with this one. The colors in here is definitely just, you know, so enticing, and it's just screaming for you to do something Halloween look. So definitely create something with that. We will be focusing on the Laura Sanchez X Beauty palette today, and yeah, already prepped the lid. Use my Dry Cosmetics Eye Canvas. This is my go-to. I talk about it all the time. It is a great product. If you haven't tried it, definitely give it a go, you guys. So here are the swatches. You have the mattes up here. I know they're all squished together, and then the shimmer, and then the 2 highlighter right here. This palette also came with a brush, so we have an angle brush for your detailed work, and then we have a blending brush. So we are gonna try it, you guys. Why not? So we're gonna start with the lightest shade in the palette, and that's gonna be our beginning crease shade. The brush is pretty soft. This is a good beginning shade for my skin tone. Blending really well on the lid. Taking that dark brown right here, we are gonna put that in the same place we applied that light brown. Ooh, I meant to use the other shade in here. I wanted to take this shade first and put it on the crease before the dark brown, but is it too late? We're gonna do it anyway, so we are gonna concentrate this shade on the crease only, and then I am gonna go back to the dark brown and bring that back because I like that dark edge right here and on the crease. So I am gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'm gonna take my concealer and just clean this area right here. As much as I hate not setting the concealer on my lid, I find it that the shadows stick to a lid best when you don't set the lid, the shimmer anyways. So I'm gonna take this one right here, and that's gonna go right here where we cleaned it. So I'm just gonna use the same brush that I used to clean the lid. You can also use your finger, it does pick up a lot, and also you can wet your brush. You can spray it with your setting spray. Then go ahead and use your best tool, which is your finger, and go ahead and pick up some more pigment with your finger. I think what I'm gonna do is pick up a little bit of the purple, just so you can have a little bit of that. So I'm gonna put it in the middle. Oh yes, that's gorgeous. Let's use the finger. Yes, see. Sometimes using your finger picks up better, or a wet brush. Not wet, but you know, you spray with your with your setting spray, so it's not soaking wet. And then go back to the other shimmer and bring that back. It's really just blending and adding and blending. We're gonna go back to the dark brown, and you guys know how this goes. I'm just gonna bring back that shade right there. I went ahead and did my foundation and concealer. I didn't finish the eyes yet because I want to do the lower with you guys, and we'll do the lashes later. But let's move on to the Tarte Shape Tape setting powder. I'm just gonna use the puff that came with it, and we are gonna set our under eye. So this is what it looks like inside. I feel like it's not really giving me a lot on the puff. This is the only thing I'm getting out of it. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about the puff. So this is, ooh, it like dried up my under eye like right away, you guys. Whoa, no, like that. Okay, so I'm gonna use the puff on this side, you guys. I don't like that at all. And then I'm gonna use my sponge on the other side. And it is so much better with the damp sponge on the other side. I think because it's a little moist, so it's so much better, because I don't know if you guys can see, it is so dry. Like it just oh, you see that? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it just highlighted all this dryness on my skin. Okay, no. I mean, my skin was looking so good earlier. Wait. Yes, $1 billion sponge saved the day. As soon as I used it, popped, and it like touched my skin. It definitely like dried my under eye like really bad with the puff, but with the moist, I like that word. With the moist sponge, it is definitely better, but it's definitely drying on the under eye. So sad because I was so excited with this powder. I'll have to try it again. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the face. We'll come back, we'll do the rest of the eyes, and then we'll do the lip combo. I went ahead and lined my waterline with the Illuminati gel paint. This is electric blue. I wanted this to be a deeper purple on the lower because I want to smoke this out. I just went ahead and used the gel paint so it will give us a deeper shade. That's what I have in my head anyway. So we're going to take this and we're going to smoke it out, you guys. I'm bringing that down pretty low because I want that to be pretty smoky. I'm gonna take this a little fluffier brush and we're just gonna dip into that purple and just smoke it up more, you guys. We're just gonna take, yeah, this highlighter right here. It's like opalescent. It has like a opal vibe to it. I think it's opalescent, right? Or pearlescent, one of those two. Now to finish up this look, we are going to take our lip fondant and lip gloss. So we have this combo right here. I'm going to finish the eyes later. I have fun lashes for you guys, so just keep watching. I'm not going to use a lip liner just yet, so you guys can see what it looks like with, you know, without using other products with it. And then if it's very messy, because that's just me, I'm gonna do a lip liner later. Let's try ASAP first. It is really pretty, you guys. Ooh, beautiful. I love how light it is. I think that is just too bold for the eyes, but we're gonna tone it down, you guys. We're gonna take the lip gloss, and hopefully that tones it down a little bit. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe not. No, it definitely doesn't tone it down. It just makes it pop even more. Smells so delicious. I think we are very colorful and we can pass for a clown for Halloween. I think I'm good with it. This is the lashes that I'm talking about, you guys. It's such a fun lashes. This is from Lashy Box. Check them out right here. The colors of these lashes is perfect with these eyes. You have lots of blues in there. There's some greens in them, but majority of the colors are blue. And I think it is perfect with this eye look. I enjoyed this palette so much. Had so much fun, you guys. If you haven't tried this palette, definitely give it a go. So this is Laura Sanchez X Beauty. I'm sure this is available. Hopefully it's available because it's such a fun palette. And then you have highlighters down here that you can also use on your eyes, and the brush that came with it is great as well. You saw me use it mostly on the eyes, and the other two palettes definitely gonna give it a try and do a different look, a separate look, and probably it's gonna be on the gram, so definitely follow me on there. And the loose powder, you guys, yeah, I'm definitely gonna give this one a try. I am not a hater when it comes to products. I do like to give it a try, so I'm gonna do that. So we are not knocking this down, definitely gonna give it a try. It just didn't work for us today, so we need to calm down with that, you know. Need to give that one a try. And then the lip combo, you guys, definitely I love it. I love Half Caked. Love the lip combo. The fondant feel to it is just so light on the lips. I'm sure that's what they're going for. And the lip gloss, it just adds so much to the lips. It just, you know, it just pops your lip out. It's just it's just so glossy. It's beautiful. Just everything that we did to our face, it's just, I think it's great. How are you guys liking our pouch? I think it is great. It's something different. I have so many of the pouches. It's, you know, it's about time that we get something different. So it's definitely 2 thumbs up with that. Ipsy team, Michelle, you guys are doing amazing with your brand. Yeah, so let me know what your thoughts on that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do love filming, and this is definitely my stress reliever. My husband is deployed right now. He's in the military, so this is definitely my me time and my way of kind of just taking a deep breath and just releasing all the stress, and this just makes me happy. So I hope that you guys are enjoying me and my content. So if you are, please do subscribe to my channel. Everything that you guys need to know, it's gonna be in the description below. Don't forget to comment and just say hi. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and like always, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.